This video is a guide on how to disconnect your phone line with the cellular provider in Israel Hot Mobile once you're done using the phone service to stop the monthly billing with Hot Mobile. We are a certified distributor of Hot Mobile in Israel, and we ship worldwide. You can always sign up again for the Hot SIM card on our website at hotisraelsim.com. The page you see here is where you can contact Hot Mobile online to make changes to the line or disconnect the service. This page is only available in Hebrew. You can also email Hot Mobile directly to have the line disconnected. The email address is disconnect@hotmobile.co.il. You will need to include your account details in the email. You should have a link to this page in the confirmation email you received when your SIM was activated. That same email also has all the details you need to fill out this form. You can find a link to this page in the description below, or go to hotmobile.co.il and click Contact Us. The page looks a bit different, but it's the same form right here further down. If you cannot fill out this form, you can also call Hot Mobile in Israel from your Hot Mobile SIM. Dial *0053. From USA, dial +9725 3500 3000, this number without the first zero. Make sure to call them during Israel working hours. Here are the working hours. Now we're going to start filling out the form. First, fill in your first and last name. Then, put in the phone number of the Hot Mobile SIM you have. It starts with 053. Then, put in your 9-digit ID number. Enter the last 4 digits of the credit card used for the payment method. Enter your email address. Choose from the drop-down here the last option. A second drop-down will appear. Again, select the last option on the list. You need to write your request here. You could write in English, but it's recommended to write in Hebrew since they're an Israeli provider. Just write a short sentence and put in the phone number you want to disconnect. Basically, write in Hebrew or English, "Please disconnect immediately the line with phone number." To complete the form, type in the letters in the CAPTCHA and click Send. Once you click Send, you'll get a pop-up in Hebrew showing the message has been sent successfully. Hot Mobile will send you an email confirmation as well once the line is canceled. Please note that we are unable to cancel your line for you. The line is on your name and you're the owner of the account. Therefore, only you can cancel the line with your provider directly. Hot Mobile always sends one last invoice after you cancel. Please note that we are not Hot Mobile and we are not the ones billing you. If you have any questions about your bills or want to get a refund, please contact Hot Mobile directly. If you have a debt by Hot Mobile for unpaid bills, you can click here to pay the bill. The account details were emailed to you when your Hot Mobile SIM card was activated. If you don't have your account information, do a search in your inbox for Hot Mobile to find the emails. We also offer prepaid Israeli SIM cards for short-term travelers without monthly payments at prepaidisraelsim.com. If you have any questions, please email us at info@hotisraelsim.com.